How to access ChatGPT API for free. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to access the ChatGPT API for free and get your API key. Whether you're a developer, a curious learner, or just someone looking to integrate ChatGPT into your own projects, this guide will help you get started easily. Let's start by opening up a web browser and heading over to platform.openai.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you already have an OpenAI account, go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just click on Sign Up to create an account. This process works for both ChatGPT and API access. I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in by entering my credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to get the API key. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Dashboard. Now, from the right side of the screen, select API keys. This is where you'll generate the key needed to access the ChatGPT API. Before you can generate an API key, OpenAI will ask you to verify your phone number if you haven't done so already. Just click Start Verification, enter your phone number, and you'll receive a code via SMS. Once you receive the code, go ahead and enter it to complete the verification process. It's quick and easy. Now that your phone number is verified, you're ready to create your API key. Click Create New Secret Key and give it a name. You can name it anything, like Test Key. Then click Create Secret Key. Your new API key will be displayed. Important note, make sure to copy this key and save it somewhere safe. Once you click Done, you won't be able to see this key again. If you lose it, you'll have to delete the old one and generate a new key. All right, now that you've got your API key, let's make sure your account has enough credits to make API requests. OpenAI often gives free trial credits, but it's a good idea to check your balance before getting started. To check your balance, go to Settings and then click on Billing. Make sure you have at least $5 in credits to use the API. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed the ChatGPT API, generated your API key, and confirmed that you have credits to get started. Now you're ready to start making API requests and integrate ChatGPT into your own projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.